And we're following a farm drug shop. See what's happening here. Ooh. Oh my God, but everything will be a fat man. Anyway, I was telling you earlier that your girl is monetized on TikTok. Hey cuties. Hey newbies, hey cuties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is KN2Cute. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video, a vlog or whatever. Anyway cuties, my hair is annoying me right now because it's kind of hot. It's hot. I don't know how come I can't find when I'm tie them. Guess where I'm at? I know y'all probably tired of seeing me in this car, but I'm going nowhere. I'm not going anywhere and I'm not gonna not vlog, okay? So for now, me in the car. But anyway, I am in KFC parking lot. I'm on lunch break. I took lunch break today because I'm just feeling frustrated. I'm saying never chat to about it. Because I don't know what I want. I try if I want time because I just know this is going to drop down. I just know it's going to drop down in a minute. That is crazy. When you get lemon, you make lemonade, right? So we'll figure it out. There you go, cute and nice. Anyway, I'm just feeling frustrated because yesterday Sunday, today's Monday by the way. Today is the 1st of June. Today is the 1st of June, yeah, I think. Happy Pride Month to all my Pride babies. And happy 1st of the month to everyone else. But the crazy thing is, right? I upload the video yesterday Sunday. The video I upload, go up, everything. Only for have the video that they are excited. I don't do me, I don't promote everything. Then somebody sent me that email say, oh my God, I can't even remember your name. It was so quick. The minute I see it, I run to the video fast. Because I never have no time for watch it. So I run to the video quick and look at me and say, which part of the video then said pause? The person I was enjoying the vlog and the video, the vlog paused right in the middle of the vlog. I'm like, the vlog pause? When I go over there, the video paused right when I make the song with them. The video actually export halfway and me upload the only part we export. I didn't watch it after it export because that never happened before. So I had to take that down, export it again. By the time it done export, it was way too late to post it. So I say, you know what, I'm gonna leave that alone and post it today. From last night, I try upload this video. It export from CapCut, but from last night, I try upload it to YouTube. And from last night, it there 67% are not going further. 67%. I know I should not be eating this, but can't bother right now. Frustrating me, I tell you. Alright, I'm worried because I don't promote it again. I've been promoting the video on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. I'm posting the reels all over for promoting the video. I go live 5 o'clock because I'm like, ain't no way the video now go export. But it's now 124 and the video is 67%. I don't have no faith in it at all. So I got 2 pieces of chicken, coleslaw, and fries, and a biscuit. Anyway, guys, you know, sometimes what kind of water ketchup is? Okay, see ketchup them watery. Isn't that ketchup? This is hot sauce. What? I didn't know they give you hot sauce. Cause I'm like, what the hell? That's nice of them. Sometimes I wonder if I could do a mukbang, but I don't know, because talking and eating, so my mouth finally can eat. The whole weekend may have a problem. No food. This is the reason I don't buy crispy chicken. Look at this. Pure skin. Did they give us fork? I don't know. Anyway, cutie. I up and eat this and go back to work. May I talk to them come off work. Good morning, cutie patootie. Hi, babies. Oh, what's up? It is Wednesday. I did not vlog yesterday because your girl was just busy doing editing, and I woke up yesterday morning to a message from TikTok telling me that I am eligible for 6 programs, including monetization. So your girl is now monetized on TikTok. I am in the affiliate program. I have TikTok. I have everything from the TikTok shop to I'm so excited. Oh my god, look at me, I'm gonna make money on TikTok before YouTube. What do I do? Oh shit, hold on, my client call me. Jesus. As I turn on the camera so she reach. Girl, just know what I talk to me. She just know all the time. But anyway, I pull up back on her right now. And we finished telling about the TikTok excitement later. Alright, bye. Hi guys, hey cuties. I know y'all can't tell, but it is like 6 hours later. Okay, I'm getting off work now. I am. Damn, that's a big dog. Oh my god. I could never. Never. Shit, it's like a freaking horse. Anyway, but I telling you earlier, I say your girl got monetized on TikTok. I spent like the whole day yesterday just signing up. I did everything. Yo, I'm telling you, TikTok made it so easy. I mean, y'all already know me get the 10,000 followers in no time over TikTok, and the watch time, everything was just fast. I don't even know if you have to have watch time over there, but I know 10,000 followers was a thing, you know. So I wake up yesterday morning, and they were like, okay, it's here, you can like apply. No, I'm eligible for six program, 6 of the thing them. I know one is getting monetized, being an affiliate, TikTok shop, and some other stuff to get like gifts, and to get like what they call it, like on YouTube they, Oh my God, it's like members, something like that. Yeah, so I'm like, all right, I'm gonna sign up for all of them. I did all of that, signed up for everything. Everything went through with breeze, easy. ID got accepted, social got accepted. I did all the tax work. I did every single thing went down good, and perfect. I'm like, why wasn't YouTube this easy? Yeah, so I'm just saying that to say like YouTube just give me a whole heap of work, like a whole heap of work, Bridging. And I love it. I love the challenge. I love the challenge, but sometimes it make me frustrated. Like the other day, my video get taken down. It's like a lot happening. And it's just happening back to back, back to back, you know? Like, I keep getting copyright, even though I bought the music them. I bought the music them from YouTube Studio. Because the music them with them say free is trash. Total trash. So I buy a little cheap music them like for $3 and $2 and $5 whatever. Because you know your music on YouTube for like $800? $1,000? Who? Which YouTuber? I buy music for some that's crazy. $400, $500 for one song. I mean you could use it over and over, but are you crazy? You gotta be kidding me. Never. Anyway, so yeah, that is the news. We got good news and we got bad news. I mean, I don't think we have any bad news. We just have a little soft circumstances right now. A little down with YouTube. Now stop me from post. No, I'm gonna be posting same way. I'm gonna be on live same way. I'm going live this Sunday. I'm gonna still be doing my thing, building up my subscribers and building up my page in at the meantime. But I'm gonna start making mad content on TikTok and make some money. That's what I'm gonna do. Because when you know stuff on my TikTok, y'all need to go follow me on TikTok, okay? Please, go follow me. Because if y'all know on TikTok, I be getting mad views over there. 700,000, 800,000, 600,000. My views over there is crazy. Okay? I love them. The people over there love my food. And me get them views up on YouTube too, about our shorts. Let me put in the open or something here so I can drive. Because in my parking lot, like I live here. In my work parking lot. Hold on. I don't see the salads. You don't have salads anymore?
I'm sorry, can you repeat this one?
Do you have salads?
Yes.
I want the one with the bacon, everything on it.
Pasta?
Yeah.
Would you like your ham?
No, that's it.
Total is $9.65.
Alright, thank you. Where's it? Oh. Thank you.
Half salad?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. You know what I'm with it? Yo, this salad is so good. If you never tried this salad before, if you eat bacon though, try this one. Let me show you guys. It is so good. And it's fresh today. Sometimes it's not fresh at all. But here it is. Yeah, I know this camera don't like to focus on the thing. That is it. Oh. Come with this. This gives it a little bit of crunch. Love that. I don't know. It's onion. Teeth them tender. Oh my God. You know what it smells like? Apple cider vinegar. I maybe to drink because I always buy it. No, apple vinegar definitely in this. Jesus. Then we're gonna cover it. We're gonna shake it to the max. You know? Anyhow, see all that good stuff. Uh-huh. I wish me they have one more dressing. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat now soon later. About 10 times I'm telling you that. Bye. Yo, when I telling you say the sun of hell pot, yeah? Yo, no sir. This call for one jacket. That's why. Hello. Thank you. Hello?
Try this.
Alright, so this is what I'm thinking about, guys. The pork. Oh my god, but everything will be a fat man. Not no little meat. It's not little meat, but why can't deal with when 2 tomato. May I try to get one breadfruit, guys? But oh, Mr. Breadfruit. But I don't know if it's good. I don't know breadfruit at all. I think I'll call them lady. Around there. Instead of cook rice, you know, but just roast some breadfruit and fry it. Probably can roast fish I too. Hey. But if it's nobody roast my friend on stove yet, I might just be the first one. Now give myself the work that. But I can't tell me if the breadfruit good come in have a clue. No one breadfruit for go roast. I don't know if it good or if it bad at all. Why some of them wrap up?
You can pull them.
No, why them wrap up? Oh.
Breadfruit, but for buy one of them that carry on go roast a lie and still come. Right. No, it look, we don't roast breadfruit. No, when them feel tight, them feel stiff, that's all I know. But some people like when it's soft and roast when it's ripe. So
Nicer that way there, yeah.
but they judge it when it's tight.
They may feel kind of tough.
Well,
So maybe this is one good one.
yeah, when them tough.
No, never do.
Look, pink.
Let's try that one, yeah. It's white or green. Green breadfruit carrot. Green breadfruit good, right?
Green breadfruit?
And this definitely green.
That green.
This should have like a rock and
No.
no.
I want the two.
Too tough.
You see all this?
Mm-hmm.
You want roasting breadfruit there?
That is it.
Yeah, but
Oh my god, I'm gonna try it though. But you know, just in case it don't work. I'm gonna buy what do you call it, bami. I'm gonna buy some bami. Cute is one man just called me a bum. I come out of the supermarket. A bum just called me a bum. I think I'm done. We come out of the supermarket and the man said, "Can I have 10 cents? Do you have 10 cents? I need to buy a soda." Somebody say, I don't have any. He's like, "You don't have 10 cents? You a bum." I couldn't nothing more than turn around and walk away because what the hell? Anyway, I'm going to try find canned pork way. Makes sense. With little meat, with little pork on it. Alright. So hot. I'm going to put on a jacket here now. Yeah, I'm going to put it on. I mean, know that don't make no sense. It's so hot. And then you're going to put on a jacket. I can't deal with the tanning, man. Me no like tan. Tan I fit them people, not me. Me no like when I put on my clothes and my hand them black like tar and my body brown. No, I don't like that look. Okay? Anyway, later. Cuties. I'm home. It's hours later. Hours from reach home in the area. Comment and promote the food vlog on my post today. But anyway, I'm here and me I wonder real hard if I should have add when I cook to the vlog or oh my god, this I'm confused every time if I cook. If I show no or if I make a whole separate vlog. I know me I gonna make one like a what you call it? A TikTok. I know me I gonna make a shorts for sure. But I just don't know if I want like vlog the whole thing. I don't know, baby. I don't know. I'm so confused. I'm so confused, bro. Why the phone move so? Y'all see that? I'm not even touching it. It's just typing. Just a type of bag of words. Crazy. This phone need to change. And no, I'm not got the iPhone. Never. Never. So all the iPhone users back up. Crazy. Anyway, cuties, I decided that I'm gonna cook buy 2 pair, you know. Oh, I'm scared. I buy one at one shop. I buy this and I buy this. The lady tell me said this is very good. It's sweet and whole heap of things. This we never see nobody there for ask them about it, but I buy 2 of them anyway. And the 2 of them ripe, so them have to eat tonight. I'm not like tonight, I've been eating avocado a lot. Because the little diet, me eat avocado and crackers, you're afraid. Every night I'm hungry. Avocado and crackers me get. But actually buy 4 canned pork. 4 canned pork. Y'all know this. Remember the one they would have look pan? But they never have no meat. Look how much meat they on this. Almost the entire thing of meat. All of them stay so. Yeah, crazy. 1 bag of fat. Who will eat it? And I buy 1 sweet pepper, yeah, so. I get 1 oil. I get 1 buckle of oil. I get 1 tomato. Scallion. I get 1 something of onion. I get this sweet pepper. You know, I forget some roast breadfruit. I'm gonna get 1 breadfruit. Like, I'm not too sure about it yet, but I'll put it on the stove right now. I'll cut it and put it on the stove now. I'm gonna get 2 big plantain. For them content them alone are the shots them mostly. That's all them want to see a food. This dirty. You see what for rinse so can them look on this. Messy. But anyway. I think I go just make a whole video by itself. Because right now, I don't know. Fizzy. Cheers, guys. Alright, so I don't know me how to do it. If you don't see the food, you don't see it. That means I decide for it, add it. But if not, then you guys will see it in a whole video to itself. Alright? Alright, let me start cook because it's kind of late and I have karaoke for go later. Alright? Sure. Go do the breadfruit, yeah. Too high.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you
See what's happening here.
inside these parallel dimensions,
Hot.
I'll find you in my
Cool, could you see? But I think it's finished. Right? Alright, guys. That's 1 spoon. As I'm trying not to break up these ackee.
Rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality.
So me know I move from another fan here. It is so cool. Oh my god, let me tell you to say the place hot like fire. The place hot. And they even have $1 that me and what kind of parents this? What kind of broke parents this? So I'm heading to this thing called Hartford Eats. Them have it every year. It's basically different culture come together and showcase them food. And them have live bands and all type of little, you know, stuff down there. It is so hot. It is so hot. Oh my god, it's like 100 degrees in Hartford. It's crazy hot right now. I'm not putting no makeup on my face. And I walk with two little. Come on! Why? Calm down. They eat and problem the work. Calm down. This is giving take the bag off. Fuck. When you can't close. Jesus. Oh. I think I should just lay down. I'm too hot to go anywhere and do anything right now. I swear. Too hot. But I already tell Tanya and show her here to wait for me. So, I'm gonna go. Calm down, Ken. When you're going to the carrot, I feel way better. But then again, you're going to the carrot and come out downtown with hot like fire. So, what better? Okay. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see me. This shit is dark. Okay, so it's top is from Shein. Pants is from Fashion Nova. I've had this for years. Very tall girl friendly. Love it. I'm wearing the bag Tanya gave me for Mother's Day. And my slippers that my daughter gave me. And yeah, just let down the air, which is a bad idea because it is very, very hot. So that's the look. Very cute. Very cute, very simple. Yeah, let's go. Sure, it's hot. It is hot. This nose ring ain't my favorite, but let me take you guys away from this door. I'm so annoyed, like just so miserable. So annoyed. That's everything. This glasses don't make no sense at all if you keep on a slide off of my face. I'll try to find one next glasses because that not work at all. So I'm gonna say my ears. Come in the closet here now. What? Should I be this? Because this could probably go all night. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'll do this. Nope, that's not much. This more matchy. I'll work with something else just in case. I'll work with this stuff. You don't know what make them try and stay locked, you know? What? Alright. Me not make one piss me. Piss me off no more than you. I'm walking out without the phone and the things there. I'm sweating. some day I wonder if me will get flagged for like up your some titty and show. I probably do, don't I? Probably I'm gonna just play it safe. Maybe my chest, my titty they up in my armpit. There's no hiding them today. No hiding, but stay far with the camera. Traffic, I've been sitting here for a minute. Lord. And the girl just found me now. Ask me day. Alright, come on, sir.
Well, I can't help myself. Look at you. No,
Nobody else.
Right up, right on. Right up.
By the time you carry on come, the light will turn.
I know just a one night stand, now left for you on my right hand, yeah. You see, I'm a ride that time, I'm a love it, baby, when you ride on, yeah.
Also, yeah, cough out and everything. Come fix it for me there, come on now. This one, it's... I have to pull it because... Just the back, just tighten it for me. May I go? Social media if I tighten it myself. Well, I'm there. I'm going to fix the titty here. Because I don't want to make, I don't want it to drive tight.
No, I'm not drive tight. I drive tight up and down.
I just want the breast part drive tight. So it hold my titty. Yeah, the breast part good. Now loose it down yourself. Cuties, I'm trying to not walk too fast. So I'm going to sweat my ass off. If I park the car. I go one place a while ago and the man say $22 for park. I said no. So we can find one parking lot $8. And now we're for go walk, go far. Tanya, sure, sir?
No, we can go back south.
Tanya, Google it.
Go south.
Come on,
Come
not.
on.
Yep, that let me know I walk out the water downtown, Tanya.
Are they far from it?
But that let me know I walk out downtown.
You're not going to walk downtown, it's that way. The place is that way because we're coming from that way. Oh, you breathe again cool.
Yeah, man, it feels cool between your two buildings. Yeah. Or it's not, there's something smell good. That's right. So the breeze plays there, so. Let's keep it this way, like. Mom, give me a ride from this road, yeah? Or down the road.
What's the content, baby?
Cartel baby. That's just a cartel baby.
Oh, my cartel, baby. Almost like that cartel, baby. Girl, I love your outfit.
Thank you. Thank you. So guys, we had to buy tickets. Like you can't spend money at the... Ooh, it is. You ask for it, my love, you get it. So like I said, we had to buy tickets. So the ticket away you use to buy the food them or whatever. If them want drinks or something. Oh my god. Rain never fall. Never see something like this. It's crazy. It's about to rain. Wow. About 25 tickets. Woo! The whole place are tear down. come out of my house and rain shoes so far. What's that? Okay. Oh my God.
Okay.
No.
You said you want to do rosé, right?
Yes. This is what that means $15 for one. That means 25 ticket can't do nothing.
Like this one?
2, 4, 5. $15 you said?
Yeah.
And $25 ticket not done, Tanya? Oh, no buy no food yet? What's I mean? No, told me I don't know what should I talk about $25. $25 can buy nothing. Right? Thank you. So she said, taste it now? The $15 better be strong. One bag of juice is $15. Crazy.
Okay, whatever.
See me, I turn back to the camera next to me, turn on and disappear. Nothing not gonna try. Complain about the liquor price because you know what it is.
I had a sangria from the country.
Yeah, I'm good. I just have bad news. I gotta process. It doesn't look very glamorous, but
What happened?
they saw me follow them.
Oh, you did?
I can't bend very well because my knees are so bad. So I have to like kind of lean in.
Why didn't you try one of the chairs?
I'm afraid. I'm afraid these chairs are not gonna be cool.
Oh yeah, I get it. I got
I
you.
know this whole.
Right.
Now I'm not ending up on the floor because I'm getting on this.
The rain is coming back. Oh my God. I wanted to try the taco. Buy 25 ticket, I only have 15 left. I'm gonna eat it. No, me have to go back in another line there. What kind of tacos do you have?
Pardon me?
What do you have?
So we have a chicken, steak, and pastor. It's pork.
Pork?
Yeah.
I said it's steak.
Steak, you how many?
I just want to.
Yes.
How do you sell it? I don't know. Like one, how much is one?
So one is 4 tickets.
One is 4 tickets? Okay, I'll try one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh no, chicken, right?
No, steak.
Steak? One steak. One steak. Why is it?
If you're not gonna buy one, all right. Tacos y
No, solo tacos.
solo tacos
Yeah. Chicken or steak?
Send me a 50 ticket here, no? The fuck I don't. So this is steak taco, pineapple and whatever sauce that is, no idea. One taco is for $4. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm saying crazy like it's not crazy. It's just the ticket them kind of fool me. And you know? Not bad. Actually very good. have?
We have lobster rolls. We have potatoes. This is like a potato salad.
Is the lobster roll cold?
The lobster roll is cold. I'm sorry.
Everything cold.
I'm sorry.
Oh
I'm
my God.
sorry. It was hot today, so you know you want something cold to cool you off.
I can't eat cold food.
I'm sorry. This is good.
Oh, Tanya, what's there for morning? My friend, I look on them. They look somewhere else must have liquor. Which kind of ice cream there? Ice cream, yeah? Oh no, it's just pastry. How much for your pastry? How much? 8 tickets. What do you have in here?
Strawberry crunch, caramel apple, and Oreo.
Thank you.
Okay, all right.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi. How much alcohol is in this?
Yeah, so all the cocktails are 10% alcohol, all real fruit, all natural. We want to make like real cocktails like you get at the bar, no seltzers and stuff like that. And they're all each can there's 8 tickets.
Okay.
Yeah, 10% alcohol, so it's really 2 servings in a can.
Right. Do we get like a cup with ice or anything like that? No?
What's that?
Do we get like a cup with ice
No,
or?
the cans are already cold. I don't
they
have
are?
any cups or straws, like minimal waste.
Okay.
No, it's just right from the cans.
And you said it's cold, right?
Oh yeah, I got him on ice here.
Alright, I'm gonna take one.
But yeah, if I mean, some of the other tents they have cups and ice. If you have one, I'm happy to pour that for you. But I just don't have any of that stuff.
I can drink it here, right?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. You can
Okay.
drink outside. Yeah. Do you know which flavor you want?
No.
So let me tell you about it. This is like a strawberry rhubarb vodka Collins with lemon and sage. This one is a whiskey apple cider mule with fresh ginger. Love it when you call me Big Papaya is like a play on a Mai Tai with a papaya and coconut with a rum. This one's with mezcal, which is like smoky tequila. So you got like smoky, tropical, a little bit spicy margarita.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do that one.
Yeah, you got it.
And you have to get messages a long way.
Oh my god. It's giving. I don't know, I don't like it. No. But it got 10% alcohol. So it's gonna work. And it's only $8. And we're following a farm drug shop. Oh wow. There's one. What? Shot. Come up, look on the line here. I wonder what they're selling. Oh, it's a jerk shot line, guys. Can you believe this? It's the longest line out here. The longest. Crazy. Sorry, excuse me. We can't see the line there right now. We can't wait for that. But it is literally the longest line. Aren't you proud to be a Jamaican? I hope that lines don't mess with this. I hope we don't get the copyright. Every food that them have out here right now, very cool. And you already know my stomach. That's not gonna happen. I'm gonna start feeling sick. The stomach gonna sick and then they're gonna change my mind for everything. So I'm trying to find like some hot. And I like it, but me out drink it. $8. Hey, how you doing? Hi.
I'll be right back. Lemonade, strawberry lemonade.
No juice.
I got cheesesteaks, chicken or beef, and I have nachos. Cheese, steak, or chicken.
Okay, I'll try the nachos. The chicken.
Steak?
Chicken. So you have a small one, right? It's not big.
No, they're like
Okay.
15. I got a classic. Here you go, boss. Take that for me. I got a classic.
Say hi to you. I know you're eating.
That's okay. Yeah. Hi.
Very nice. Yeah. Are you here by yourself or are you with?
I'm with my cousin somewhere with here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. My name is Edward.
I'm Cam.
Cam, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, I saw you from the back and I'm like, oh my goodness. I need to say, I'm sorry. I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to say hi to you.
Yeah.
I actually have a shot. Do you want to do a shot? No shot? Okay. Sure.
No shot. Thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. I just got here. I am from Boston, but today is my first day here, and I'm staying at the Capitol Hotel. And I came walking around. And I'm like, everybody's out in the streets, and it's really nice.
Yeah.
Do they normally do this here?
Twice a year.
Oh, twice a year.
2 days. Today and tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. It was really nice to meet you. I'm sorry.
Nice to meet you. No, that's okay. Nice to meet you too.
Maybe when you're done finishing, I'll come say hi later.
All right.
Okay. All right. I'll see you later, babe.
Bye.
Bye, babe.
My baby's crazy. Let me can show you. Oh my God. White man said I saw you from the back. Yeah, try to eat all the chicken. Some can't chew it with the car. Yeah, I eat them already. I don't think they have any food on this side. Hey! I don't know if y'all see that, but that's the guy. Freeze! We'll be over here. Sorry. You just mess sweat. Watch out. Yeah, you're sweat. Sweat and Tanya out here about school. That's crazy. Oh, don't drop out. We can't afford to lose the next grocery right now. Go, you gone? No, you're not gone. Is it good? on it.
Let me have script also.
So you love corn. I'm not gonna do the corn because them breast is here.
Everyone know. I said, ladies, when you're
oh, she show you for eat. Come, she show you.
Yeah. But you never just just like when you do it now. You gotta marinate blood. What's that good to go with that mother thing? My neck.
The party's over. We lost, we don't know where to go. Tanya thinks she know, but she don't.
I have no clue. What, Friday?
Yeah.
We can't go somewhere.
Yeah. Something in my back really I just make a war. I don't understand why in the outfit you joke me so. Just right in the middle of my back. Go away.
I want to go read first.
When are you recalls?
I said no one of that for really go.
You said no one of for go recalls.
Really cause.
Or us. Hold on.
What recalls?
What to that Friday, so?
Don't care, you don't judge a bar, don't have fucking
Friday. Judge go on Friday?
Yeah, judge
on
Friday.
Should they work?
I don't have nothing to judge.
I don't find out, boy. Hey cuties, welcome back to the vlog. I am getting off work. It's Friday. No, I'm lying. It's Saturday. And I'm getting off work. And remember that thing that we was at yesterday? We go back and buy a $50 ticket. And I couldn't eat anything else, so I had to end up come home with the ticket them. After the Doritos there and the ice cream, that was it for me. I couldn't manage to taste nothing more. The portion them was way too big, man. Too big. So, and then like it's expensive, so I didn't want to waste some money just for try food. $25 for one food, $15 for one food, and you know that was a waste. That was really a waste of money. So I end up have like $30 leave, or is it 20? Yeah, 25, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I have $25 leave. So can't spend nowhere else and they don't refund. So I'm thinking I'll just go down there now and grab some chicken, some jerk chicken. Since we never try the Jamaica food yesterday. But me already know that jerk chicken the taste. Like I'm telling you, I came here one of the owner for the jerk shack. So me already know that taste, you know what I mean? So I didn't really want that. But maybe I'm just going just for support, you know? Not maybe, I'm gonna go and get some chicken. Oh my god. Oh, my back itches from last night. A bug bite me downtown. So one bug bite me right in the middle of my back downtown. Not the middle, but right, you know. I mean, I tell you, say it scratched me the whole night. But anyway, me I go downtown and get some chicken. Alright? So me soon know there's some. Alright. Little more. Anyway, this is looking awful because let me just put it in a one plate so we can at least make it look presentable, because I've been eating away at the jerk chicken and then the jerk pork me feel fine, but the chicken have the whole heap of bone in them. I don't know who tell them for pack up my plate with so much bone. That have me just a suck bones all along. So that may end up there I eat the jerk chicken. Can't waste the little sauce, you know. I don't know if y'all can see these. It's jerk chicken and jerk pork. See me I tell you about the whole heap of bone them. straight chicken back this, you know? So when they expect me for do, I have to eat the bare bone. Bare bone. The pork is here too, but after I see the bone, I totally forget about the pork. But it's really good though. I can do some, I'm gonna give Tim some. Find a chicken and name me something. Oh my love. So, oh, Ross. I forgot so I'm still on this. So anyway, cutie, that is that. Oh, I have one thing. Jerk sauce. Like I say, for me, it look like it's full of pepper, eh? But for me, I blend 2 pepper and throw in this. But other than that, very good, very good. Enjoy it. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog. And again, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys. 100%. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys in the next one, alright? See you guys soon. Bye. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See ya.